If you're always chasing what's trending, what's hot, you're always going to be starting over. In an age now online on social media, people literally tell you, just buy this and resell it, and then you'll make money like I'm making money. So most people think that being able to live anywhere is luck, and it's absolutely not. It's about building income that does not care where you are. When you hear the words financial freedom, I feel like most people associate that with generating income but not having to work. They think it's day trading, crypto, some secret app, or they even think it's luck or just perfect timing. I'm here to tell you guys that none of these are true, at least in my situation. Freedom is not about doing nothing. It's not about being paid to do nothing. It's about building income where it doesn't matter what your location is. You are not tied down to a personal location. You can literally work anywhere there is Wi Fi. And that is the major goal because that's literally how you're going to be able to live in a country like the Dominican Republic and be able to make US dollars. So, first things first, when it comes to making money on your phone, most important thing is going to be your skills. Skills as well as the strategies and the systems that you build. Guess what, you guys? Skills are something that you can take anywhere. Whether it's you knowing how to budget, if you're knowledgeable about finances or credit repair, video editing, social media marketing, basically any skill that you can use to help someone else, any skill that you can use to make someone else's life better. Now, systems. When I mention systems, like this has to be something that you can do over and over. Creating content that's going to work when you're offline. Creating content that's going to work even when you're not posting. You need a process that is not going to depend on one viral post. And that, my friends, is the difference between making money once or building income that's going to last. This is exactly why creating content, digital products, personal branding, and services, they matter a lot. These are absolutely not hobbies, they're assets, you guys. Creating content is going to build trust. Branding builds recognition. Then you have your digital products and your services that's going to turn everything into income. I'm going to give you guys some income types that is going to allow you guys location freedom. First, we have our skill-based income, which is going to be creating content, marketing, branding, teaching what you know. Then we have product-based income, which is going to be digital products, education, or creating tools that are going to solve people's problems. I have audience-based income, which is going to be trust, community, and attention. Not sure if you guys noticed, but attention is the newest currency. Now, here is what most people are doing wrong nowadays. Literally, I feel like 90% of people, they're doing the same thing, which is going to be chasing trends. Instead of building skills that you guys can actually use and profit from, you're chasing trends that might not even work for you. When it comes to being financially free, you can't jump from one thing to another, one business to another. You're selling this product, then you're selling that product. One week it's this method, this week it's a next social media platform, and then you have a whole new strategy. It's just, that's too much. Nothing will ever compound like this because nothing stays too long. Always remember this: trends change, but the skills you have do not. If you're someone that knows how to communicate, how to market, to explain value, you can literally apply that anywhere. If you're always chasing what's trending, what's hot, you're always going to be starting over. Another big mistake I see a lot of people making is buying stuff just to resell it. And they're buying these products and they don't really understand how they work. We live in an age now online on social media. People literally tell you, just buy this and resell it, and then you'll make money like I'm making money. But no one's going to teach you how to actually talk about that product, how to stand behind that product, and how to explain how that product works to other people. When you don't understand something you're selling, it's going to show. Content is going to feel forced, and trust me, people can pick up on that. And then we have posting without a message. Trust me, there are a lot of people who are really trying and they're posting consistently, but there is no direction. Like, there's no message behind their content. There is no clear problem that they are trying to solve. They don't give any reasons for people to stay, to follow, to buy from them. Trust me, content without a message is just noise. And then probably the biggest issue of all is wanting results without having patience. People want income before they build trust. They want sales before they build skills. They want the freedom before they even build the discipline. I'm here to tell you guys it does not work like that. I need you guys to remember that everything that lasts requires a stage where it's slow. What people fail to realize is that this stage isn't slow, it's just building a foundation. You're literally confusing lack of instant results with lack of potential. If I was completely starting over today, here's exactly what I would do. Pick one skill, whether it's creating content, marketing, personal branding, digital products, education, or services. Pick one of them. Learn how to communicate it. Come up with a strategy. Build a strategy that is simple and effective. And then you're going to market it consistently and improve as you go. It's not supposed to be perfect when you're starting out. You do not need 10 different streams of income. You just need one that really works.